Today, next part of the problems in trigonometry we are going to do. Let us see, this problem is given in Eamcet 2001. Cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. Then what is the value of cos theta plus sin theta? And options also given here. What are the options? A is 0, B is plus or minus root 2 cos theta, C is plus or minus root 2 sin theta, and D is 1. So let us do this problem. So this is given. This one you have to find. These two are looking like a minus b and a plus b. So we know this formula. What is that formula? A minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square is equal to what we get? A square plus b square. Here also 2a square, 2b square minus 2ab plus 2ab gets cancelled. What we get? 2 into a square plus b square. This is the result now. So if you apply this formula here for these two, what we get? Let us see. Cos theta minus sin theta whole square plus a plus b. Cos theta plus sin theta whole square is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. A is sin cos theta, b is sin theta. So cos square theta plus sin square theta, cos square theta plus sin square theta. It is identical now. Its value is 1. Its value is 1. Now this value is given. Substitute here this value. So root 2 sin theta whole square, root 2 sin theta whole square plus this value you have to find out. Write down like that only. Cos theta plus sin theta whole square. We substituted, this value is given, no, that value is substituted in it. This value is not given, that we have to find, that we written like that only. This one identical, no, 2 into this value will become 1. Okay. Send this that side. So what we are left? Cos theta plus sin theta whole square is equal to, here we are having plus, no, if you send that side it will become minus. Minus square, if you square it, root gets cancelled, 2 it will become 2, and sin theta will become sin square theta. Okay. Now from this you take out 2 common. If you take out 2 common, 1 minus sin square theta left behind. So what is the 1 minus sin square theta can be written as in terms of cos square theta by identity. So now here we have to remove the square. Both sides, if you take a square root, here square gets cancelled, this side will get root. So finally what you get? Whenever you apply root, you have to keep plus or minus. So cos theta plus sin theta is equal to plus or minus root 2. Here square root gets cancelled, so simply we'll get cos theta. So what is the option here? So this is the value of cos theta and the cos theta plus sin theta. What is the option here? B is the option. No, C adding sin theta. So write down, not copy it. Now we see next question. Cos theta minus 4 sin theta is equal to 1 is given. Then sin theta plus 4 cos theta value you have to find out. So options are given. A is plus or minus 1, B is 0, and C is plus or minus 2, and D is plus or minus 4. This question is given in Eamcet 2005. So now first given right now, what is given? Cos theta minus 4 sin theta is equal to 1. Next, sin theta plus 4 cos theta value you have to find out. Let us say this will be x. Let this value will be, suppose you take x. Okay. Square both sides and add. Squaring on both sides and add. Squaring on both sides and then add. So what you get if you square on both sides? This one, cos theta minus 4 sin theta whole square plus sin theta plus 4 cos theta whole square is equal to, this value is 1 square and this value is x square. We squared on both sides and added. Okay. Next step. A minus b whole square. It will become a square cos square theta plus b square 16 sin square theta. 4 square is 16 sin square theta minus 2ab. 2 into a means cos theta, b means 4 sin theta. Okay. Next here also plus having no plus a plus b whole square. A square plus b square 16 cos square theta plus 2ab. 2 into sin theta into 4 cos theta is equal to 1 square 1 x square x. So x square only comes. So now you see here sin square theta cos square theta. Sorry, this is cos square theta and here sin square theta. So if you add both, you will get cos square theta plus sin square theta. That is identity. That value become 1. So now I am writing that value as a 1. So this value will become cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, that I am writing here. Next step, you see here 16 sin square theta. This one 16 cos square theta. From that you have to take common. What first you write one step here. This is cos square theta plus sin square theta. These two are written. And again these two are written. Taking 16 common, sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay. These two and these two over. What left behind here? If you observe these two, what you get? 2 4s are 8. 8 cos theta sin theta minus 8 cos theta sin theta plus 8 cos theta sin theta is equal to 1 plus x square. This is minus, this is plus gets cancelled. This values will become, what this values become? These are the identities, no? These are the identities. That values become 1. So write down that value. That implies 1 plus 16 into 1. This one becomes 0. No need to write. 1 plus x square. This one becomes 17 is equal to 1 plus x square. X square is equal to 17 minus 1. X square is equal to 16. X is equal to under root of 16 plus or minus. X is equal to plus or minus 4 will come. This is the final answer. X value we got. So what is the x? Imagine that this is the x. This is the x, no? So this value we got. So that value is equal to sin theta plus 4 cos theta is equal to plus or minus 4. So what is the option? D is the option. Okay. Next question, 19th question. This is given, which year given? Eamcet, this was Eamcet question. Sin theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Then cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta is equal to We have to find that. So A is given 0, B is given root 2, C is given 1, D is 2. Now solution. See, first given right now sin theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Send sin square theta that one. Sin theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta will get. So what is this 1 minus sin square theta value? 1 minus sin square theta value is nothing but cos square theta from identities. So this one we got cos in terms of sin in terms of cos square theta. So now this one we take. This value you have to find now cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta. So from this cos square theta keep like that only. So here this can be written as cos square theta whole square. This cos power 4 theta can be written as cos square theta whole square. So now finally here instead of cos square theta I am going to write sin theta from equation. So sin theta whole square since from equation 1. So now this will become cos square theta plus sin square theta. This is identity whose value is 1. So what is the option? 1 is the option. So next question will be if p suffix n is equal to cos power nx plus sin power nx, then we have to find out 2p suffix 6 minus 3p suffix 4 plus 1 is equal to that value you have to find. Options are given: a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 0, d is equal to 1. D is equal to 1. So now first p of n is given now. This one you write. Before that p power p suffix 6. That means where we have n, there you give 6. Okay. Cos power 6x plus sin power 6x. This I am going to write cos square x whole cube plus sin square x whole cube. Okay. So this is in the form of formula. What is that formula? A cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube. This can be written as a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. So now I am going to apply this formula because you will get identities. Identities values will become 1. Here you will get trigonometric identity sin square theta plus cos square theta. Here also you will get identity. Both will become 1. So now a is cos square x, b is sin square x. Substitute here. So what you get? Cos square x plus sin square x whole cube minus 3 cos square x into sin square x under bracket cos square x plus sin square x. Okay, these two values will get identities. So here one identity, here also one identity we got. Both identities we got. No? So these values become 1. 1 cube minus 3 cos square x into sin square x into 1. Okay. This value got no. Next, we substitute in it. What is that? 2p suffix x minus 3p suffix 4 plus 1. So 2p means here 2 into this value. 1 cube become 1 minus 3 cos square x into sin square x. Okay. Minus 3 into p suffix 4 means In the place of n, you have to keep 4, cos power 4x plus sin power 4x. Finally, plus 1. Okay, clear? So this one become 2 into 1, 2. 2 3s are 6 cos square x sin square x minus this we can write cos square x whole square plus sin square x whole square plus 1. Okay. So now this is equal to 2 minus 6 cos square x into sin square x minus 3 into minus 3 into this one a square plus b square. A square plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. Instead of I will write this one only a plus b whole square. So cos square x plus sin square x whole square minus 2ab. 2 cos square x into sin square x. Under brackets plus 1 left. Why written this one? A square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. We use this formula. That's why we can since. Okay. Next, by simplifying that, what we get? Is equal to minus 2 minus 6 cos square x into sin square x. This value will become 1. It is identity now. So minus 3 into 1 square minus 2 cos square x into sin square x. So finally, what you get here? 2 minus 6 cos square x into sin square x. So multiply with the 3. 3 into 1, 3. 1 square become 1 now. Minus into minus plus 3 to the 6 cos square x into sin square x. So carefully observe minus 6 cos square x into sin square x here plus 6 cos square x into sin square x. Both will get cancelled. So what is left behind? 2 and a minus 3. So that will get minus 1. So minus 3 plus 6 minus 1 will get. Now check the options. What is the option here? What? Okay, here options is not there because we missed 1 here. Plus 1 is there now. That plus 1 we forgot here. So this value plus 1. Here plus 1 having now, that plus 1 you have to write down here. Here also you get plus 1. So here also you get plus 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. We have forgotten this plus 1. If you add that plus 1, it will become plus 3 and this is minus 3. Plus 3 minus 3, 0 will get. Option is C. Okay. Write down, copy it. Next question. 21 question, that is if sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 plus sin theta 3 is equal to 3, then cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3 value you have to find out. So options are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 options. Okay. Now we are going to do this one. Solution. So sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 plus sin theta 3 is 3. When it becomes only if theta is equal to 90 degrees. In remaining cases, we won't get 1. So for maximum value, if sine is maximum value is 1, then only we get 3. So minimum value is -1, -3. If you take minimum value, -3 will get, but it is given +3, no? So maximum value is 1. If you take less than that, between -1 and +1, this is the range of the sine. Range of the sine. If we take minimum value of the sine, we will get -3. But here we need a +3. So maximum value is 1 we have to take. So for what value will get 1? For 90 degrees we will get 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 will get. In between if we take, they will get a smaller value. They will always less than 3. We won't get 3. Is it clear? So it is possible only if theta 1 is equal to, theta 2 is equal to, theta 3 is equal to 90 degrees. So all angles are equal. The three angles are equal to 90 degrees. Now in this we have to substitute that values. So cos 90 degrees plus cos 90 degrees plus cos 90 degrees. So what is the cos 90 degrees values? 0 plus 0 plus 0. That will get 0. So what is the option here? A is the option. Next, coming to next question. Next, 22nd. What is given? If x is equal to a into secant theta plus tan theta whole square and y is equal to b into secant theta minus tan theta whole square, then find the x square y square is equal to. Options are given. A b secant theta, b is a square b square tan theta, c is a square b 4 4, d is a square b square. So let us see how to do this one. So first, x, y is given. We have to find out x square, y square. Square both. X square, y square. So here x square is a secant theta plus tan theta whole square. So x square means square of this one. Into y square. B into secant theta minus tan theta square whole square. Okay, clear? So now this one will become a square secant theta plus tan theta square 2 into 2 power 4. Here also b square secant theta minus tan theta 2 into 2 power 4. Okay. So next, coming to next step. A square b square right here. So this one secant theta plus tan theta, secant theta minus tan theta. This can be written as secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta whole power 4. Since a power 4 into b power 4 can be written as a into b whole power 4. A power 4 into b power 4 can be written as a into b whole power 4. In similar way, I written this one. A power 4 into b power 4. A into b whole power 4. So this one a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. What is a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. Secant square theta minus tan square theta whole power 4. So a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay. Applying that formula. This is secant square theta minus tan square theta is identity. That value is 1. So a square into b square 1 power 4 itself will get 1 only. So final answer is a square into b square. What is the option? B is the option. Okay, clear? Note down. This question is given in Eamcet 2015. If sin theta plus cos theta is equal to q and tan theta plus cot theta is equal to q, then we have to find the value of q into q square minus 1 is equal to. Options are given of B is 2, C is 1, D is 3. Okay, ABC options are given. So first, What is given? This one right. Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to p. So we are having p square, no? Squaring on both sides. To get p square, we have to find out p square minus 1, no? P square. Square on both sides, you will get p square. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to p square. This is a minus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to p square. So this is a square plus b square. There is sin square theta plus cos square theta is the identity. This value is 1 plus this will become 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to p square. This value is the sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta, send 1 that side. P square minus 1 you will get. Okay? Next solve that one. If we solve that one, this one let it be equation 1. Next we have to solve second trigonometric equation. Tan theta plus cot theta is equal to q. So this can be converted into sines and cos. Tan can be written as sin theta by cos theta, and cot can be written as cos theta by sin theta is equal to q. If we take LCM, cos theta into sin theta, cross multiply, sin square theta, cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta is equal to q. This is the identity. No, this value will become 1. This numerator and denominator, both sides numerators we have to multiply, divide by 2. This one become 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 cos theta sin theta value is sin 2 theta. So this one become sin 2 theta is equal to q by 2. Okay. So but sin 2 theta value, what is the sin 2 theta value? From 1, p square minus 1. So p square minus 1 is equal to q by 2. From equation 1. So cross multiply. 2 is equal to cube into p square minus 1. So this value only we got now. So cube into p square minus 1 is equal to 2. So this is the required result. What is the option here? Cube into p square minus 1 value is 2. Option 2. Second option is the correct answer. So next question is 24th one. Tan pi by 4 plus 2 tan 2 pi by 5. Tan pi by 4, pi by 4, 5. Tan pi by 5 this one, not 4. Tan pi by 4 plus 2 tan 2 pi by 4, 5 plus 4 cot 4 pi by 5 is equal to, options are given, cot pi by 5, cot 2 pi by 5, C is cot 3 pi by 5, and D is cot 4 pi by 5. This question is given in 2015 Eamcet paper. So first write down this one. Tan pi by 4, 5 plus 2 tan 2 pi by 5 plus 4 cot 4 pi by 5. Before this, we should know one formula. That is 2 cos 2 theta plus tan theta is equal to cos theta. So this formula you have to remember. How to prove this one? 2 cos theta. So cos 2 theta can be written as sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta plus tan theta. Tan theta also you can write sin theta by cos theta. 2 sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta. So LHS we are taking. RHS we will prove. This is RHS now. So here this can be written as cos. This is cot, no, sin, not tan for this one. This formula is cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta. This is cot, not tan. That's why this is tan, sin by cos. So now write down this one. 2 cos theta can be written as 2 formulas have. 2 cos square theta minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 2 cos square theta minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 2 formulas have. So let us write in sin square theta. 1 minus 2 sin square theta by this one 2 sin theta cos theta plus sin theta and cos theta. Okay, 2 gets cancelled. This we can write a minus b whole square. Not like that only, right? Now LCM will take sin theta into cos theta. So here same thing you will get 2 sin square theta plus here cos is there, sin is not there, sin into sin square theta. Okay, this is the LCM plus sin square theta will come. So from this what we can write? This is minus 2 sin square theta plus 2 sin square theta. It will become 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta into cos theta. So 1 minus sin square theta can be written as cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta. Cos theta 1 cos theta gets cancelled. Cos theta by sin theta. Nothing but cot theta. Cot theta. This is the RHS. So simply I derived this formula. This formula you should remember. That formula you are going to apply here. So how we are going to apply means first you write down tan pi by 4, 5. Tan pi by 5. From this 2 you take out. 2 is common. First this one you write because formula having 2 cot 2 theta. No? So 2 you taking out means 2 remains. Cot 2 into 2 pi by 5. This is theta. This here 2 is taken out now. What left? Tan 2 pi by 5. So now careful also. This is in the form of 2 cot 2 theta plus tan theta. This formula. We are applying this formula. By that formula, we can write tan pi by 5 plus 2 into cot theta means cot 2 pi by 5. Okay, we return into this formula. Now again, this formula we can write in this way. Since from this, if you write this as a subject, send tan that side. 2 cot 2 theta is equal to, this is cot theta, sorry, not cos theta, cot theta. Already we derived now. So cot theta minus tan theta. Cot theta minus tan theta. So now substitute in this place. So tan pi by 5 plus this can be written as cot pi by 5 minus tan pi by 5. Here plus tan pi by 5 minus tan pi by 5. Both will get cancelled. Okay, what is left behind? Cot pi by 5. This is the required answer. Option is A. Okay.